Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul that my daughter actually got for me, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'm just going to jump right in. Most of it's from Tuesday morning, a little bit from AC Moore, Joe and Hobby Lobby. Anyway, so she got me this from Tuesday morning for $2.99, and it's 1968870. And this is a Faith Illustrated Seeds of Faith. And this is a booklet of how many pages of acetate does it say? It just says 6x8 pad, includes 4 sheets of shapes and 8 pattern sheets. Perfect for paper crafting and Bible journaling. Excuse the noise in the background, the window's open. And people are making noise. So anyway, that's some of the designs right there. So I look forward to using that. She also picked up the Simple Stories Beautiful 6x8 paper pad, and this is double-sided. Very pretty paper. I hadn't seen that in my TM. She's got this Kai one. I don't know if I have this one or not. $3.99 Playful Expressions stamp set for $3.99, and is 1967251. I'm sorry, I didn't give you this number. This was $2.99, and it is 1958707 for the Simple Stories Beautiful 6x8 paper pad. So for the clear stamps, it has things like you can never have too much happy, do small things with great love, we do not remember days, remember moments, all things grow with love, a happy memory never wears out, smile, believe you can, and you're halfway there, live well, laugh well, love much. I think I may have this one. The way to know life is to love many things. Follow your dreams. This one looks so familiar. I think I had this one. Happiness comes through doors you don't even know you left open. Trying to see what the other one says at the top. Dreams, and if you obey the rules, you miss all the fun. So, like I said, I got to check and see if I have that one. She did get me this one because I was looking for it, and she was able to find it out of town when she's working. So that's where she got some of this one from. This is $4.99, and this has the same SKU as all the other dies, and is 1929991. So dies are sorted for it. And so even if you tell them to type it in, it's going to show a lot of your places have these dies, but they're all different. But this is just a little teeny small pocket page folder that you can make with that. I thought it was cute, and she did too. So that's the folder with insert. And then the last thing from Tuesday morning she got me was this paper pad, cut apart. It's 12x12. It's Beautiful by Simple Stories, and so this would go with this paper pad collection. And this is $3.99, and it's 1958705. I looked and tried to find a 12x12 pad of it. I hadn't found it, but anyway. So it says, live beautifully, the ampersand, you don't have to be perfectly amazing. Hello, lovely. And look for the beauty every day. And then that's the other side of it. So very pretty. And then she also got from HL, Hobby Lobby. Well, she did use one coupon, but then she got these 3. So the llama one, I think she said was $9.99. I think yeah, this was the regular price, $9.99. So this one, you know, llamas are in. Everybody knows that right now. 6 stamps. So it says, Llama love you. Enjoy the adventure ahead. And fiesta like there's no mañana. So that's a cute set. And then this one, I think she used the 40% off coupon, because I told her don't ever shop on Hobby Lobby without a coupon. That was $12.99. This is the Echo Park Designer Series that they have, which is new because my Hobby Lobby hadn't been carrying Echo Line stamps. They finally put some dies and everything out because mine was empty for a long time, so they finally put some new items out. So this says, and this is a cute stamp set, all good things come to those who craft. So lovely. I like to party, and by party I mean stay at home in my PJs and do crafts. Okay, I like that. So y'all gonna be getting some cards for me with that. The little typewriter, old-fashioned typewriter with the heart on it and the paper, some flowers and a heart. The answer is crafting, in parentheses. I don't care what the question is. Someone let me know when professional penner becomes a career option. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. So I just thought they were just really, really cute. So I really love these that she got me those. They are just too cute. And then the last one she got by Echo Park is they have faith ones. And I love these stamps. I love the way these photopolymer stamps smell. I do. I don't know if I'm the only weirdo like that, but I love the way that smells. Anyway, this one, it was $12.99 as well. So this is trust the Lord with all your heart. God gave me you. All I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Have faith. Love one another as I have loved you. John 13:34. Blessed. You are enough. Help is a prayer away. Lord, I will follow thee. Amen. Of course, some flowers right there too. Butterfly and the flower. Our faith can move mountains. In Matthew 17:20. There's a church. I'm always with you. I am with you always. Excuse me. Families are forever. And Jesus is my jam. And then there's a heart. So really, really cute stamps as well. So I gave my daughter some big kisses for that. Anyway, so thanks for liking and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.